Searching for helpful information on snoring? Look below. Snoring can be a very annoying condition, both for the snorer and anyone who is trying to sleep nearby. It can also be a sign of some serious medical conditions. There are ways to treat snoring, so anyone who is trying to deal with this problem should read the following video. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. If you want to stop snoring, don't consume alcohol just before bed. While alcohol is okay to have with dinner or even later in the evening, if you have it just before bed, it will make all of your muscles relax, including those that keep your nasal passages fully open. You'll have less airflow, and you'll snore. Stick to a regular bedtime, and practice good sleep habits in general to reduce the incidence of snoring. If you go to bed overtired, sleep erratic hours, or have other bad sleep habits, you may sleep very deeply, which relaxes the muscles in the back of your throat more than usual. This can contribute to snoring. Snoring is common for people who sleep on their backs, however, it's hard to sleep on your side if your habit is to roll on your back. Stitch a tennis ball into the rear of your pajama shirt. When you roll onto your back, the nuisance will push you back to your side, and you'll stop snoring. Do not take illicit drugs. Recreational drug use can contribute to snoring. Drugs like marijuana have the same effect as drugs designed to relax you. In addition, drugs that are found on the street, such as painkillers, can have a similar effect. You may enjoy feeling relaxed before you sleep, but you may pay by snoring later. Don't drink alcoholic beverages before going to bed. The very reason you might be tempted to have a nighttime drink, the fact that you want to relax, can cause you to snore. When your muscles relax because of the alcohol, so do your air passages. As your air passages become restricted, you snore. There may be times when it seems impossible to sleep because of your snoring, but the good news is that there are effective ways to manage this condition. There is no need to just try to live with snoring. Instead, make use of the advice you have read in this video. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.